In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use references in Magnific AI Mobile. Using references is a powerful way to guide the AI so your generated images stay closer to the look, style, or subject you have in mind. I'll walk you through the exact flow on mobile and share a few tips along the way so you get consistent, polished results. Start by opening the Magnific AI app and making sure you're on the main screen. Along the bottom, tap AI Suite. This is where all the creative tools live, and it's the quickest path to image generation on mobile. Next, tap Generate Image. Here you can decide how to provide your idea. You can let the app suggest a random prompt, choose from templates if you need inspiration, or type your own words if you already know what you want. Whichever you pick, tap Add Refs to bring in a reference that will anchor your result. A clear, concise prompt works best with references, so keep your description focused on the key subject and mood. You'll see options for the type of reference you can use, such as image, style, or character. For this walkthrough, choose image. An image reference helps the AI capture composition and find details more reliably than text alone, which is great for matching poses, outfits, or specific objects. Now, select the image you want to guide the generation. Browse your device, tap the one that fits your concept, and then tap Select. Pick something sharp and well lit so the model can read details. Avoid busy overlays or heavy filters. Clean visuals tend to yield cleaner outputs. Before generating, tap the settings icon. Choose the mode that best aligns with your goal, set how many images you want to create, and pick an aspect ratio that matches where you'll use the final result, like vertical for mobile or widescreen for landscapes. More images give you more choices but can take longer. When everything looks good, tap Generate. Rendering may take a bit on mobile, so keep the app open and let it finish. Once it's done, you'll have images guided by your reference ready for your next creative step.